Hi friends, this is the video 12 of my web programming video series. So I'll show you the question, and we are accessing my pages here in the web programming. I'll show you the question here. Clicking this button, you can see this is the question 12. The government of Sri Lanka has decided to vaccinate all citizens due to the COVID-19 situation. These vaccines are given under different age categories, and there are specific vaccines for each age group. You can see this table, and within that table it's included that which type of vaccine is given to the which age group. And here you can see the persons that have age greater than 60 are given this vaccine type Novavax, and here with the age category 45 to 60 it's given AstraZeneca, and the age group between 30 to 45 it's given Sinopharm, and at last age group 18 to 30 it's giving Moderna vaccine. So in order to conduct this program as a full stack web developer, you have to create a small web application to gather details about the citizens. You have to collect the following data: first name, last name, gender, NIC number and age. When you add data to the database, the citizen's vaccine name should automatically be added to the database. The patient is not giving the vaccine name directly, but we have to calculate the vaccine name within if conditions by considering these age groups. Note, you need to be able to see what data is entered into the database in real time. So we have to see that what data are added to the database in real time within our web application page itself. So I'm going to give the answer here. You can see these two data I have already added to the database, and it's shown in this page. And here I have validated these fields, and I'll show how to add a patient's detail here, and after that how the vaccine type is created and generated, and how it is entered to this database itself. Then I'm entering some details of a person. First of all, I'll show the validations. I'm pressing this register button. I have to enter the first name here, and I'm entering first name as Kalpana, and then last name as Vijay Singh, and I'm entering a data into the 30 to 45 age group. Then I am entering the age as 40. Then sample NIC here. Don't think about the value of that. So I am selecting the gender as female. Then I am going to register. Then it says that success. Then I click in this OK button. You can see it's real time added to this table that what is entered to the database also, and you can see how it was real time updated. So you can see here for the data that I have entered just now, the vaccine type is also included here. And if I enter a patient detail whose age is below 18, in the question, I show you the question. In the question, below 18 age group, no any vaccine is defined by the government. So if I enter a data, a patient details that whose age is below 18, let's see what is entered here to the vaccine type column. Then I'll entering another detail as Kalpana Jayatilaka. I'm entering the age as 15, and NIC is also here, also a demonstration one. and I'm selecting the gender as male. Then I'm going to register. It says that is succeeded. Then you can see here the details that I have just now added is real-time updated in this table, and the first name Kalpan Jai, the last name as Jaitilaka, and the age is 15. Because of this age, as this age is below 18, here it is entered to this vaccine type column as no vaccine needed. So I'll show you the code then. Here in this day 2 folder, I have created this Q2 folder, and within that Q2 folder, all the codings for this question 12 and answer 12 are included. So I'll show you the question 12 first. This is the question file, this index_q12.php, and you can see as usual I have used here Bootstrap grid system to make response to this page. And this is the question, and this is the anchor tag. Here I have made this anchor tag as a button by giving this class to that anchor tag, and this is the question. And I'll show you the ans_q12.php file. You can see I have given a custom CSS file and also the Bootstrap CSS file here, and I have used Bootstrap grid system to make this web page responsive also. And okay, then I'll show you the responsivity of this page also. So I'm going to show you it. This page is responsive to all the sizes. This is for the small and extra small devices view, then for the medium, then large, then for the extra large view. So here you can see the input fields that I have given to this form that I have placed to gather information about the patients. And here this is the button, and I have given an on-click function to it. And you can see this is the table, and these are the table headers that I have used. And I have made a database connection in this ans_q12.php file itself, and this is the query that I have executed. Then after gaining the result set, I have checked the number of rows of that result set, and also here within that for loop I am generating a row for each and every patient that who enters their details. With the usage of this PHP code, the web page is real-time updated when the details are entered to the database. I'll show you the database also. Here I have created that database in this MySQL Workbench tool, and I have made the schema as Q12 web. You can see the table people is this database, and I'm viewing it. You can see the details are added to this table when I am registering the patients by entering the details, and these are the details those have entered to this database. And here I'll show you the q12.js file. This is the function reg, and this is how I have gathered the values of the input fields for the registering area, and these are the variables that I have created, and I have passed those variables to the process12.php file via Ajax with the usage of post method. And this is the process12.php file. You can see I have made some validations here also, and this is how I have gained the vaccine type. I have created a variable like here $v and has not given any value to that variable, and this is how the validations are done. And if all the fields are not empty, it comes to this else condition, and within that else condition this if else is checked, and these are the conditions where the age groups are checked. And for each and if or else if condition, some age group is checked and a vaccine type is given to the $v variable as the value. Here in else, it is the vaccine name that for the variable $v it's given as no vaccine needed, and this is for the below 18 age group. And you can see here this is the database connection to the Q12 web schema, and this is the query, and I have executed the query and echoed as success. Then again goes to Q12.js file, and here I have gathered the response text here into the variable text, and I have checked whether the variable text is equal to success or not. If it is equal to success, I have alerted the text and then again redirected to the ans_q12.php. With the usage of that, the user can view the details that he has added and the vaccine type that he can receive from the government within the web page real time. So I'll show you the custom CSS file also. This is the custom CSS file that I have linked, and this is how I have created this simple web application to receive the vaccine type that he can receive from the government when he is entering only his age. So this is my video 12 for the web programming video series, and let's meet with the video 13 for the 13th question. And thank you all.